future of hydrogen fuel. Imagine a world where fuel that powers our cars, homes, and industries produces zero harmful emissions. A world where we no longer rely on fossil fuels that pollute the planet. This future is not science fiction. It is the potential of hydrogen fuel. Hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe, and scientists have long explored its use as a clean energy source. Today, with climate change and energy security becoming urgent concerns, hydrogen fuel is gaining more attention than ever before. But is hydrogen truly the future of energy? In this speech, I will explain how hydrogen fuel works, its advantages and challenges, and what the future holds for this technology. What is hydrogen fuel? Hydrogen fuel is a clean energy source that can be used to power vehicles, generate electricity, and store energy. It is typically produced through a process called electrolysis, which splits water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen using electricity. The hydrogen gas is then stored and used in fuel cells, which generate electricity by combining hydrogen with oxygen, producing only water vapor as a byproduct. There are three main types of hydrogen based on how they are produced. The first one is gray hydrogen, which is made from fossil fuels and emitting carbon dioxide. The second is blue hydrogen, also derived from fossil fuels, but with carbon capture to reduce emissions. And then there's green hydrogen, produced using renewable energy like solar and wind, making it the cleanest option. Advantages of hydrogen fuel. Hydrogen fuel offers several key benefits. Zero emissions when used in fuel cells. Hydrogen produces no greenhouse gases, just water. It has high energy efficiency. Hydrogen fuel cells are 2 to 3 times more efficient than traditional combustion engines. Energy storage potential. Unlike solar and wind, which depend on weather conditions, hydrogen can be stored and transported easily. Versatility. It can power vehicles, homes, and industries, and even be used in aviation and shipping, areas where batteries are less practical. Challenges and limitations. However, hydrogen fuel faces some major challenges. High production costs. Green hydrogen requires large amounts of electricity, making it expensive compared to fossil fuels. Storage and transportation issues. Hydrogen is highly flammable and must be stored at extremely high pressures, making infrastructure development costly. Lack of refueling stations. Unlike gasoline or electricity, hydrogen fueling stations are rare, limiting its adoption in the transportation sector. Energy losses. The process of producing, storing, and transporting hydrogen loses more energy compared to battery storage. Despite these challenges, governments and industries worldwide are investing heavily in hydrogen research to make it more efficient and affordable. The future of hydrogen fuel. So what does the future hold for hydrogen fuel? Government initiatives, countries like Japan, Germany, and the US are investing billions in hydrogen infrastructure and technology. Technological innovations. Researchers are working on cheaper catalysts and better hydrogen storage methods. Hydrogen-powered vehicles. Major car manufacturers like Toyota, Hyundai, and Honda have already developed hydrogen fuel cell vehicles. Integration with renewable energy. Hydrogen could play a key role in storing excess energy from solar and wind farms, making renewables more reliable. According to a 2023 report from the International Energy Agency, hydrogen could meet 10 to 20% of the world's energy demand by 2050 if infrastructure investments continue. Conclusion. To summarize, hydrogen fuel has the potential to revolutionize clean energy by offering zero emissions, high efficiency, versatility. However, cost, infrastructure, and energy losses remain major hurdles. While hydrogen may not replace fossil fuels overnight, ongoing technological advancements and government support could make it a key part of the global energy transition. So, is hydrogen fuel the future? The answer depends on whether we can overcome its challenges, but one thing is certain. Hydrogen is a powerful candidate in the race for a cleaner, more sustainable world. Thank you for your time. My sources are the International Energy Agency, the U.S. Department of Energy, the International Energy Agency, and the article on Inflation Reduction Act impacts on the economics of clean hydrogen and liquid fuels. Thank you very much.